In this video, I'm going to solve a problem that involves patterns. So first, let's look at the problem. It says, select a number, multiply the number by 8, add 4 to the product, divide the sum by 4, subtract 1 from the quotient. So let's do that. Let's select a number. Let's select 4. Then it says, multiply the number that we selected by 8. So 4 times 8, 32. Add 4 to the product. 32 plus 4, 36. Divide the sum by 4. 36 divided by 4, 9. Subtract 1 from the quotient. 9 minus 1, 8. So by going through all the steps from 4, we get 8. Let's pick another number. 100. Multiply the number by 8. 100 times 8, 800. Add 4 to the product. 800 plus 4, 804. Divide the sum by 4. 804 divided by 4, 201. Subtract 1 from the quotient. 201 minus 1, 200. And let's pick one more. Let's say 19. Multiply the number by 8. So 19 times 8. 152. Add 4 to the product. 152 plus 4, 156. Divide by 4. 156 divided by 4, it's 39. Subtract 1, so 39 minus 1, 38. So now let's try with a general number. Let's say n. Multiply the number by 8. 8n. Add 4 to the product. 8n plus 4. Divide the sum by 4. So we want to divide 8n plus 4. We want to divide it by 4, which means we'll have to divide each of these terms. 8n divided by 4, it's 2n, plus 4 divided by 4, 1. So we get 2n plus 1. And then subtract 1 from the quotient. 2n plus 1 minus 1, 2n. So what we noticed, why this is a pattern problem, we start with n, and after going through all these steps, we got double that number. Let's see, does this happen in the previous situations? 19, and we got 38, which is 19 times 2. We started with 100, and we got 200. 4, and we got 8. So, yes, it did work. These are particular cases, and this is a general case, because no matter what n we pick, we still would get 2n. So now, if I give you, for example, 7, and I ask you, if you go through all the steps, what should you get? Well, you can immediately tell me we would get 14, because we would get double that based on the pattern that we have. I hope this helps.